Hi FaceTory fam!
My name is Janice and I'm the marketing associate here at FaceTory.
My name is Gloria. I'm the head creative and curator here at FaceTory.
And we are so excited for this first unboxing for December!
Happy holidays!
Jingle bell! You guys, we have a new...
Oh, drum roll.
We have a new box! Okay, look how cute it is. Recently, actually, we did a poll about what color you wanted next for our FaceTory box, and we can put that post right up here, somewhere here. And you guys voted lavender.
Yeah.
And so
we decided to put a lavender colored box. I hope you guys love it. I love it, and it's very festive and like this Unni, our mascot with a little reindeer.
You decided, right?
Yeah, but yeah.
it.
So and then inside, you know, our little saying we always say just keep glowing, because you know our masks help you just keep glowing.
Of course.
And all month long.
I love the tissue paper that you guys selected. It's very beautiful. Look at that winter-esque blue.
Yes.
And all the cute little artistic snowflakes. That's my favorite. And Anya also has a little reindeer.
Yeah.
Reindeer headband. I super like that.
So this box will continue into February.
Yeah, comment down below if you would be interested in a different kind of box and then what color you would want.
Oh yes, what color next?
What color next?
Maybe for 2019, what color next? That would be really helpful. And yeah.
Neon green.
I heard coral is gonna
black.
be color.
Coral.
First mask in the box, obviously, has to be our FaceTory mask for this month, and it's called Let's Talk Detox Purifying Pore Mask. Contains ingredients such as charcoal, volcanic ash, and like really moisturizing soybean seed extract. So charcoal powder and volcanic ash is gonna work together to really cleanse your pores deep down, try to get rid of all those dirt, oils, all the nasty stuff.
Oh, nasty stuff. Oh, nasty.
Yeah, nasty stuff.
You nasties. Guess what that reference is from?
Charcoal powder, volcanic ash extract is gonna go into your pores, gonna clean out the impurities, all the bad stuff, the little nasties that are gonna cause, you know, like uneven skin texture, gonna like make you break out. So this mask is great for people with acne prone skin, or just anybody who has a lot of clogged pores, need a little bit of detox. This mask will do this for you. And also, we add a little bit of special ingredient. Special ingredient, which is soybean seed extract. And because the charcoal powder and volcanic ash is gonna do a little bit, you know, it's a little harsh for your skin. Yeah. Because you're basically detoxing.
Hard.
Yeah, working hard. So you wanna replenish the moisture back into your skin by using the soybean seed extract. The cloth, the fiber that's in this mask is like so nice and soft. Like on your... I'm gonna give an extra tip for people for December time, because it is cold. Like it's cold. Usually sheet masks have that cooling effect, but what you could do is that you could put your sheet mask, make sure it's in this package, put it in a bowl of lukewarm water, let it sit for a bit, and then you kind of have a little warm mask for yourself.
Literally a warm blanket on your face.
Yeah, because I sometimes don't like the sheet mask during the winter time because
it's so cold.
But I found a way, and that's to warm it up, and now I can sheet mask as much as I want during the winter time, and your skin doesn't have to like get all like dry and stuff, which is a big problem.
That's true. That's true.
So, yeah.
Obviously, don't do it in boiling water.
That would
be safe, children.
Yeah.
Don't
be safe, children.
Be safe. This mask we have is the Bagi Milk Thistle Repair Mask. This is actually one of my favorites because I definitely tested this out because Gloria wanted to make sure it's good for sensitive skin types, and I actually personally have eczema, and so I wanted to make sure that this was good for it, and it was. So one of the key ingredients obviously is milk thistle, anti-aging, anti-glycation properties, and that really helps us slow down the aging process, and also helps to protect against UV radiation. And I'm gonna show you guys the insides of this. What's really good, it doesn't have any artificial fragrances and doesn't have any irritating essence. There's so much essence. Now you know it's a good mask. Okay, so obviously you can see that's packed with product. Now if you see how soft it is.
It seems like it's a really good fit for your face, right?
It was a perfect fit for my face. This is a really good mask for all skin types. So I know you guys always ask us suggestions for sensitive skin types, so this is the perfect one.
Yeah, so I think people with oily skin that I've had a lot of questions about. I have oily skin, but also I'm sensitive, so that's a great mask.
This is a great mask for it.
The third mask in our box, dun, 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 another special one from our dear friend, 23 years old.
Friend.
It's gonna be our Cocoon Gold Silky Mask.
Yes.
Look at this packaging. Doesn't it look luxe?
It's super luxe.
Yeah, we gotta treat our 7 Lux subscribers, you know, to some like nice mask.
Bougie stuff.
So this mask is on the thinner side if you compare to the other previous 23-year-old masks that are thicker. This is the thinner side, but still does a great job at moisturizing, and it contains silkworm cocoon extract. Silkworms have to shed their cocoon anyway, so it's a great, you know, reusable kind of like, yeah, taking their cocoon.
It's an often like Asian practice to use their cocoons, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah. So the Cocoon has a great ingredient called sericin, and that helps with like anti-aging for your skin and just to strengthen up the skin barrier, and also it provides deep moisturization for, especially for the winter time.
Winter time is perfect, guys.
So it helps boost up your skin's moisture levels. Besides that, also there's a little bit of gold in here as well. We love gold.
Bougie.
And gold also helps with anti-aging.
Yes.
Yes. And oh, another great ingredient, peppermint oil.
Peppermint oil.
So great for the holidays, right?
I know, it was actually Belinda's one of her favorite ingredients.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think she mentioned about putting peppermint oil
Putting
in
it
her hair.
On our Instagram. So check that out here. If you're also not following our Instagram, make sure to follow us at @myFaceTory. FaceTory without an S.
Yes. So peppermint oil helps, you know, soothe any inflammation, you know, someone with redness, like, oh, you guys peppermint oil soothes it down. Also,
my kind of mask.
Controls the amount of oils on your skin.
My kind of mask.
My kind of mask too. So people with oily combination skin would do really well with this mask.
And do you have any tips for any dry skin users for this mask?
Oh yeah, especially with dry skin people, you guys could use this mask too, but be sure to put a moisturizer afterwards to help lock in that moisture from this mask, especially during the winter time. Your skin is extra dry, so be sure to add extra moisture along with this mask. Yes.
And I'm sure you guys noticed this huge guy right here. This is our 4th mask. This is Dr. Althea Water Glow Skin Renewal Hydrogel Mask. One of the key ingredients in this mask is a jojoba seed oil. This is really good and helps to soothe skin and unclog hair follicles. It doesn't clog pores. So this is also really good for the daytime because the essence really absorbs in quickly. So I suggest during daytime before you put makeup on. And also I really like this packaging because it's very different.
Yeah.
Horizontal. Oh, let us display this mask since it is a little different. So as you can see, it has a film. We want to remind you guys that always to remove this. It is very slippery and smooth.
Tip to do hydrogel, especially 2 parts, is to overlap it on top of each other, so prevent it from slipping.
Yes. From slipping.
From slipping.
Sounded like an infomercial.
I know.
From slipping.
I went to infomercial mode right there.
And here we have the Dr. Althea Water Glow. Okay, but yeah, this is it. As you can see, it's very smooth. And what's really nice again is that the essence absorbs very quickly into the skin, so that's a good daytime mask.
Ooh, great to put before makeup too. Nice. And
yeah, we actually always suggest if you're going to put on, especially a lot of makeup for like a special event, to always use a sheet mask before. There's a tremendous difference between not masking and like masking. So yeah, there you have it. Okay. The 5th mask we have in our box is Xion Li Pollutant Defending Mask, and Glory's gonna give us a little spiel about this one.
Yes, and this mask is great for people who go outside a lot, I feel like.
Yes.
Or anybody. Just being in a city or just being outside, there's a lot of like environmental stress factors that could cause damage to your skin, like sunspots, wrinkles, eventually wrinkles, all that stuff. So this mask is good for that. It's good to protect your skin from those factors. It has broccoli extract, which actually helps strengthen up your skin cells to protect against UV damage and also help reduce the UV damage that you already have, which you cannot see, but it will go in there and protect you And also it has fig extract, which is high in antioxidants such as vitamins A, vitamin C. Those will help with gentle exfoliation of the skin. So it will kind of like exfoliate your top skin cells and then reveal like nicer, newer, healthier skin.
Refreshed skin.
Yeah, so leaves you with smooth skin. Great for the holidays.
Great for the holidays. Now you're ready for your winter parties. So the next mask we have here, and this is our 6th mask of our 7 Lux pack, is the Simply When Snow Song mask. And and that was Janice Chang's Snow Song by Janice Chang. You're welcome. So this great mask, it contains really key ingredients that are super beneficial towards your skin, like niacinamide, aloe extract, and sodium and also sodium hyaluronate. I'm gonna say that again.
Say it again.
So this mask also contains really key ingredients that we want to point out, like sodium hyaluronate, niacinamide, and aloe extract. Niacinamide is also, again, we've always said this, but it's one of the power ingredients that we always make sure to at least include some masks that have that. Niacinamide is really good for improving fine lines, your skin surface, and just strengthening your skin in general. If you ever actually keep your mask vertically, make sure to always lay flat down and smooth out the essence with it like throughout the mask.
Massage it before.
Yeah,
good tip.
It goes all the way down.
Yeah.
But this mask is a very light scent, so it's really nice for you guys who want some sort of scent but not overpowering.
Yeah.
And this is also really good because it also brightens and soothes your skin.
Yes.
But because it does that, make sure to moisturize it.
Yeah.
Especially if you're a dry skin user. The ultimate thing, honestly, is when you're a dry skin user, is to make sure that you moisturize after. So we have our last mask of the box, and
so exciting! It is the what is it? The Detox Probiotics 3-Step Total Solution Mask. That's a mouthful.
That's a mouthful.
But it's a great 3-step mask that comes with a toning pad, the mask, and the cream. So, you know, take it on those holiday trips. Step 1, Janice here is going to take a Detox Probiotics toning pad, and it contains an ingredient called betaine salicylate. This ingredient is derived from sugar beets. It's a BHA ingredient that is gentle and has exfoliating properties while also improving the skin's tone and texture. This ingredient is also great for oily and combination skin types. Step 2 is the Detox Probiotics Mask Pack. It contains an ingredient called bifida ferment filtrate that contains hydrating and soothing properties while also offsetting oxidative skin damage in the presence of UV light, making it great for sensitive skin types. It is a really thin mask and provides a really great fit. As you can see, when Janice is wearing it, it provides a great fit. It also looks like she's not wearing any masks. So leave the mask on for 10 to 12 minutes and afterwards pat in the remaining essence so your skin can absorb all the nutrients. Step 3 of the mask is the Detox Probiotics Intensive Cream, and this cream is really smooth and hydrating. It's going to help lock in all the nutrients from the previous mask steps. It contains an ingredient called beeswax, and this contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to protect your skin against irritants and also help soothe your skin.
So that concludes the unboxing of our December Lux box, and just to let you know, I know you guys been waiting for a giveaway, so
giveaway! Oh my god!
I feel like we keep doing this.
You keep on like going like this.
So we are actually giving out our December Lux box to you, lucky winner. So all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below which mask you are most excited about.
Ooh.
Yes, and the giveaway is until December 7th, so make sure to do that. And then for the winner, we will comment back and reach out to you to say that you have won the special Lux box. And I think that ends with this, so we are going to end this video. But Make sure to look out for our kit unboxing that will come out very soon. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays! Bye!